That goes up, down. It can turn, and the whole thing can turn. So right about there is where you need it once it's on. You just tighten that down, the whole thing tightens up. You can see I put a couple washers on there and a nylon lock nut so that that would stay nice and tight. You can see the mount, and it really just barely clears the metal piece in there. So, but that's a nice solid, the whole system. This is the weakest spots where it bolts to the camera, but I guess it's good enough because that's the way it's made. Alright, so here's what I did on the rear view mirror. I was able to just loosen those nuts enough to pop that off, and then you can see that basically you just screw these down. I use a little ratchet wrench to get in there, and then you can kind of see I got just enough thread sticking through, and then tighten the nut up on the back side, and that is just super solid. That's just not going anywhere. It holds a lot more weight than what it's actually holding. So there's the back of the mirror. So let's just put this up here, I guess. Okay, here it goes, and then I'll tighten it down, and then as you can see it's got plenty of up, down, and side to side movement, so it'll probably be about like that once I get it on. And then it'll view out the back of the let's just get a view from where we'd be sitting, and there you go. It's kind of what you'd see, or a little bit more, depending on how you turn it. Alright, well it's a nice install at any rate. Makes a nice solid mount, and all I did was take one of these mounts, drilled the center hole where it has a screw now. I just drilled that out so I could slip the bolt through and flipped it over, and there it is. Makes a nice mount, and then I use the mount from the mirror to make a nice camera mount, so it worked out real well. Alright, until next time.